JDK, Java Development Kit. JDK is a package of tools used by developers to create Java applications. It includes a compiler, which translates Java code into a language that computers can understand, and other tools for writing, testing, and debugging code. Think of JDK as a toolbox for Java developers. JRE, Java Runtime Environment. JRE is a package that allows Java programs to run on your computer. It includes the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, which interprets Java bytecode and executes it on your computer's hardware. JRE doesn't include development tools like compilers. It's only for running Java programs. Example: imagine you have a game installed on your computer. The JRE is like the game engine that makes the game run smoothly when you play it. JVM, Java Virtual Machine. JVM is a virtual machine that enables a computer to run Java programs. It's an abstract machine because it doesn't exist physically. Instead, it's a software-based emulation of a computer. JVM takes Java bytecode, compiles Java code, and executes it by translating it into machine code that your computer's processor can understand.
Thank you for watching.